Hey there lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, Valentine season is upon us, and what better way to make Valentine's special than making something homemade and something beautiful for your partner. So today we're making this red velvet waffles with ice cream, and please remember that all of the ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description box below. So in a large bowl, we're just going to combine all of the dry ingredients. We're adding our flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt and sugar, and we're just going to pass that through a sieve and just sift all of the dry ingredients. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and click on the bell notification icon so that you always get notified anytime I upload a new video. And then you're just going to add the sugar at the end and just stir everything to combine with a whisk. So once that is all combined, we're just going to set it aside and add all of our wet ingredients in one large bowl. So we're adding our buttermilk, melted butter, 2 large eggs, vanilla extracts, and red food coloring. Please make sure that all of these are at room temperature, and if you do not have buttermilk, you can make yours by adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar to 1 cup of milk. So we're just going to whisk that together and then add it to the dry ingredients. And then we're just going to stir all of this till it is just combined. You do not want to over mix this batter because we're trying to make it as airy as possible. It's fine if it still has some lumps of flour. It will all get incorporated in the waffle iron, so please do not over whisk. Okay, so to make the waffles, we're just going to spray some generous amount of cooking spray onto our preheated waffle iron, and using a half measure cup, we're going to spread some of the batter we made earlier into the waffle iron and cover it and just let it go until the waffle is done. Now, if you're not a fan of red velvet, I have a plain waffle recipe with fruit toppings, so you can check that out. And so to assemble, I have stacked 3 waffles, and on top of that I'm putting on 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. I'm drizzling on some golden syrup, and I'm going to garnish with a sprig of mint. Now this will impress just about anybody, from children to adults. Just make sure that you are ready to eat once the scoop of ice cream is on the waffles. Please remember to give this video a huge thumbs up if you found it helpful at all, and feel free to check out some of my other sweet and savory recipes. Until I come your way again, God bless you and goodbye.